Hello little learners, welcome back to Kaksha's Park. Today we will read CVC words with sounds it. This is letter I. I says E. And this is letter T. T says T. Now blend the sounds it. It. Let's read some it words. B. It, bit, bit. Now you read it.
Wow!
K, it, kit, kit. Now you read it. Good job. It, fit, fit. Now read it. Awesome. P, it, pit, pit. Now your turn. Well done. H, it, hit, hit. Now your turn.
Wow!
S, it, sit, sit. Now your turn. You were great. Let's revise. Bit, kit, fit, pit, hit, sit. Now, can you read this? Yes, it's lit, lit.
You did a great job! Well done! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kaksha Spark Official for more fun learning videos.